We are here as one manufacturing community.
What is manufacturing, Maestros? Whatever history, whatever theory you are studying from first standard to engineering, everything, any college, it was the experience someone have written. So we are doing it for manufacturing.
India builds its first privately manufactured military aircraft. The world saw India through a narrow lens.
Wait, but who are these Maestros?
You really wish to spoil the fun?
What a fabulous evening we had.
This was a wonderful evening today.
Machine makers,
Machine maker,
Machine maker, machine maker,
machine maker, machine maker, machine maker,
machine maker, you're fantastic.